Hello Mary, this is Rob Jones with Sunny King Toyota. I was taking a video of the 2014 Chevy Cruze that you're inquiring about. This car is a one owner. They purchased it new. They've owned it for 4 years, 11 months. This car has not been smoked in. It has had no damage, never been in a car accident according to the Carfax. The car only has 52,000 miles. It's a good looking car, Mary. It has not had any scratches or no dings that I can actually see. The tires are in great shape. It's a really pretty color. Like I said, it's a one owner. I think you'll like the car. Once you see it in person, it's everything that I'm shooting the video for you. It's 2014, of course. And if you notice, it's an LS model. So that's the trim on this car. But I really think you'll like the car. Like I said, you won't find anything wrong with it that I can see from what I've read about the car. If you're interested in the car, please get with me. My name is Rob Jones.